Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov at the stadium. It is Monday evening, September 16th, 2019. I just wanted to come out here and get some shots when it starts getting dark out here. I'm not sure how well this is gonna work. Might not have enough light to zoom in as how I normally do, but we're gonna try it out. So I am on Russell Road right now, so I'm on the south end facing north. So I did hear from one of the guys that works with the company that's going to put the roof cables up, and he said they should be starting within a week. So if I find out more, I'll try to be here when they start. As you can see, it's still pretty windy out here. We got like high wind warnings today, and I think some of tomorrow. There's some kind of welding going on up here. Being that it's dark, I'm noticing it's not focusing as it normally does. But I'll go around and try to get closer shots. Got the lights of Las Vegas coming on. Okay, I'm gonna go walk around and get some different angles, try to get closer. Okay, I'm actually using my phone. Seems like it's getting better picture quality with the phone at night. I don't have the same zoom. You can see all the lights inside that are on. Where they're working through there. Okay, I'm now on the southwest end of the stadium. I'm on Polaris, so the west side of it. They're getting ready to do some work. They got some trucks here. Looks like they're gonna start digging up the road. See everything blowing around with the wind. I'm not sure if they're going to be putting up any panels today, any glass. I was told about the roof cables that they're probably only going to be able to put the bottom row of glass, because I guess the way the cables go up, they might break more if they're on the sides. Okay, I'm still on the west side. So I'm gonna be using this camera and also my cell phone. My cell phone picks up better in the dark, because this one trying to pull in, I don't think. Okay, I'm still on the west side, so I have to use my cell phone now. My camera with the zoom I do not have. There's not enough light, it won't focus in. So I'm not going to be able to zoom in as well, but at least you could get a good look at. You can see it's pretty lit up. And they're still working all around. I just seen another crew walking in now. Probably going to get a lot of wind noise on this video, because I don't have wind guards on this phone and it is very windy still. So you can see when I zoom in, it gets a lot of noise in the video. Okay, I'm hoping to see them hang some of the glass panels, so I'm going to go to the north end and see if they have any. Okay, I'm still on the west side. See some people working up there, welding and grinding. It's much nicer now. I'd rather work in the evening and night shift instead of 110 degrees. Still on the west side. This is the northwest end. So you can see the panels. able to walk and stuff all behind them. In there. So you can see how lit up it is. We're gonna go around the other side and see if we can see like how the glass lights up. See some Las Vegas skyline again. Okay, they're lifting a panel up into place right now. You can see how they have it like hooked up. I thought it was a pallet they were lifting. I'm still on my cell phone. Just has better lighting at night. Oh, there we go. That's why it was backwards. See how they put them up there. So it looks like they have more down there. See where the guy's standing in that crate. I heard a click. It kind of seems like it already kind of clicks into place. Looks pretty lined up already. Sure they fasten it in somehow, but we got all this going across except that one's missing the stripe. And you can see the difference. You can see how above the white stripe is the panel and below is the glass. lot of guys on these boom lifts. Can't tell what they're working on. Okay, so that's only maybe 5 minutes and they're already disconnecting that panel. So they go up pretty good. Okay, I'm still street level, north side. This is the lanai door openings. Dumpster there. Okay, I'm on the north side, but right by the northeast corner. I didn't know this was going to be like this. The white stripes light up. That's going to look really good at night when it's all installed. For the noise, that's the generator, the light. So we'll have the torch coming up right out of there. Alright, I'm gonna walk around to the east side, try to get a better view of that white light. Okay, I'm on the east side. Wanted to see this better. It doesn't come in real clear, but that's going to be pretty cool. And on the ground here, you can still see these are the lanai doors they've been building, which are very big. There's 3 of them so far that I see. See the glass over there, the bottom row. You can see how you can see through it. This is Big Bird right here sleeping. This little guy here is Big Bird. Yeah, you can see they're putting this other panel over the glass on the top there. I didn't think it'd have that much like curve. And there's how you can see behind the glass. Okay, I am on the lower part of Hacienda, on the north end still. So I just want to show you an example here. Alright, so I mean you can't see it really good, but you can kind of see through the glass. I mean we're getting the glare from the lights right now. I'm going to swing around and show the Luxor, which has dark glass also. Okay, if it wasn't for the light on the top, at nighttime that building disappears. They used to have little LEDs going up on the corners from the bottom to the tip, but I haven't seen those on for a long time. Because my phone's actually lighting up the background sky bright, but just looking at it with the naked eye, it's pretty close. There's the skyline. Okay, so we got to see that lit up on this. I think that's going to be pretty cool with the light going around on the white spots. When I drive into work in the middle of the night, I haven't seen that on before, so pretty cool. Alright, as usual, if you are not subscribed, if you want to keep getting updates, subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. You will get updates on the stadium as well as the headquarters. So it is Monday. It's Monday evening, September 16th, so I'm not going to render this video until tomorrow, so you'll see it a day behind. Alright, Raider Nation, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.